What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cakes. We are back for another video. Jordan release Saturday. Jordan 4 Thunder release Saturday. I haven't really secured my pair. I think one of my boys is gonna help me out later tonight. But yeah, let's go look around. Sherman Oaks. Wait. Oh, this place is called Westfield Fashion Square or something. I don't know. It's called Westfield Sherman Oaks. All right, let's look around. It's a little after 5, I think. I think Finish Line should have done their first come first serve. I don't know. Let's go find out. I do got a Finish Line. Let's go see what's up. I probably got grade school right there. I do see these bad boys right here. I got grade school and preschool. All right, it is 6 o'clock, and yeah, they're done with the leftovers. They only have grade school leftovers. They do got these. I'm looking for a friend. They only have 2 sizes though. They don't have the size that I need. These are 7 women's. Yeah, they don't got them. So, all right, dang it. Dang, these keep getting discounted more and more. The D Rose 1.5 is going for $50, $110 off. These Steph Curry's, the budget Steph Curry's going for $40. Do got discounts on the Iversons, also the Air Morph Tempos right there. Do got the Panini version of the Iversons on sale as well. And we're starting to see the 20s on sale at multiple spots. Okay. Team Bank colorway of the Kyrie's right here. The Kyrie Infinities. Not bad. That's a solid price. Then Jordan 1s, mids. You know, stuff that we've seen. Nothing too out the ordinary. Do got the inside outs. These are definitely interesting. You know, not too bad. $135 for those. Grade school Jordans. We got the 3 Wizards. We got the 2s. Also got the 1s. Looking for items on sale. Okay. If I really needed an extra pair of the 4s, I could have stayed in at JD Sports. So you guys watched yesterday's episode. You guys saw that I did talk to them, and they said about 5:30. I could have just stayed there, but I didn't really need an extra pair. I just wanted one for myself, so I didn't do that. We got the Raiders colorway of the 97s. Got black with the hint of blue. Patent blue right here, all on sale. All white, not on sale, but this orange looking one, $20 off. Okay. All right, let's go check out some more shops. If you guys missed out on the 4s, and then you also did not take advantage of the leftovers at JD Sports. Leftovers with Footlocker, probably the best way to get them. We did talk about that in my video yesterday, so hopefully you guys paid attention. All right, let's go. They rarely ever have great Jordans here, to be really honest. Not on the wall, you know, you have to get reservations and stuff like that. But yeah, that's kind of it, man. That's kind of it. We are covering Jordan release day, so this is it, man. Two got the Pine Green Lows. Is that what they're calling these? Pine Green Lows. Then we got the Lucky Greens right here. Got some, I don't even want to call them breads, but they got mids, lows. And the 1s right here. Nobody's really talking about these. Air Max Plus on sale. LeBron's on sale for $80. Is that the cheapest we've seen those? I don't know. But yeah, I got the highs, the lows of the 19s. Kyrie lows. We've been seeing them on sale here and there. Prices have been very different. You got these dunks right here. Is this the one with the glow in the dark soles? I don't know. But do got them very, very plasticky. Going for $1.25. Showed you guys the LeBron's on sale. Air Morph Tempos. We've seen these on sale for quite some time now. Do love the colorway, but the big Nike swoosh kind of ruins it for me. The Infinity Run Flyknit 3s right here. Going for $100. Checking to see if any slides are going on sale right before the summer. Not really. The Air Max slides right there, they're alright. They got the 3 reimagined slides. These just came out. I got one from a couple years ago. Yeah, I've worn mine a few times, but those are $60, kind of pricey. I like these Out the Lot slides too. Go for $60. Yeah, they really are harder than the Yeezy slide. God dang, yeah, they really are harder. I don't think. Have I seen these? Gel Light 3s, not too shabby. I really like the silhouette. Color's alright. This one is another one right here. Do got some suede on it. That's alright. Nothing too crazy. Adidas, as we call Adidas in the United States. got a lot of sales. They got a bunch of the Gill Zeros right there on sale. Got 5 different colorways of the Gill Zeros right there on sale. Not too bad. I'm a big fan of the Gill Zeros. Actually, 2 of those same colorways, so 4 different colorways. Got the Trae Young 2s on sale. Do got the D Rose also on sale, $100, $79. They are blasting the hell out of the music, by the way. Yeah, I got these bad boys, regular price. The snakeskin one is these for $150. I picked mine up for $35. That's insane. That's insane. I forgot to talk about the website. They stopped having Adidas on the website, and then they haven't really had it. So I don't know. I'll make a separate video when I see fire stuff on that website again. And do got the Kobe's, the KB ones, aka the crazy ones. Got these bad boys. What are these going for? 150, 160, 150 right here. Been seeing sales tables, but nothing too crazy. Women's Hirachis right here. Super Rep 3s. Like for performance, not too bad. 611. Those are all women's. Got some of these too. Air Max Pre-Days. I love the colorway, but I'm not a fan of that silhouette. Air Max 90s go for $80. Not too shabby. Size 9 right there. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing too crazy. Do got 70% off right here. Got All City jackets. This ain't bad. The Just On All City jackets. $120. You do get 70% off, so that's what, $36. So not too shabby. Got a couple of them here, large, 2 larges. Got this jacket here. This one's not as dope. $195. That one's more. Why is this one more? Why is this one more? It's cheaper material. I don't know. That's interesting. Yeah, dude got Just On stuff. I'm a big fan of Just On stuff. They use really, really good materials. I had one of their hoodies. I don't know what happened to it. I do have one of the hoodies. Man, I'm gonna have to find it. Do got these regular hoodies right here, going for $65. So that's what, $20 or so, something like that. Not bad, not bad. And remember, if you see 70% off, you can check your local Footlocker. They might have something similar to that. Then they got stuff here for $50. Club C's. Also got these bad boys right here. 574s, a couple of sizes right here. Got Chucks. I don't really think that's that great of a deal for $50. He just brought these out. Oh, Prestos. They're Presto utilities. Okay. And then some bands, $50. The material on this is so freaking nice. These are so nice. All right, that's about it, dude. All right, let's go check out one last shop. I think there's one more shop. All right, dude got a shoe palace. Let's go look around. Hopefully you guys checked out my video from yesterday. Talked about it. Shoe Palace, probably one of the better places for Jordans on leftover day. So I don't know. Hopefully you guys watched. So as with most of the places, they do have the grade school. Also got toddlers and preschool as well. Okay. All right, of course they don't have any extra food, especially since it's late in the evening. Maybe if I get in early in the morning, maybe they might have gotten an extra or something, but don't see nothing. Here's the Jordans right here. Kind of the same Jordans that we've seen everywhere. Do got these bad boys. What are these called? The Skylines? I don't know, whatever these are called. They do got these. This is like a canvas type of material. It's okay. It's all right. I'm just into the color. These bad boys going for $180. You got other Jordan 1s, high retros right there, but we've seen all these. Dude, let's talk about some slides. I am a big fan of the slides right here. These bad boys are the Jordan 11 retro slides. And you can tell because the number right there, that's how it looks on the cherries. This also matches the outsole of the Jordan 11s. But yeah, these are fire, dude. These are fire. Like I said, I'm not paying $65. They do have these as well, the Lightning 4s. I'm just, like I said, I'm not paying $65, dude. Like, back in the day, I used to pick these up for $30 because nobody wanted them. I literally used to pick them up for $30. Now, you can't find them on sale, dang it. And these 7s, if I find one at the outlet, maybe. But yeah, that's about it, man. These still on sale. They've been on sale for a while now. But yeah, this is based on the Chuck 72, so You know, more of a premium product compared to the regular Chucks. People who love Chucks tell me, hey, if you go to the Chuck 70s, you'll never go back to the regular one. $30 seems like a deal, especially if you're a Who fan or a retro fan from the 90s. And then the all black ones on sale. I do have all black ones already. I have a leather one that I do wear when it rains. But yeah, I do got these bad boys. Still got these. The Niner colorway right here. Gel Light 3s. I doubt they have my colorway. You know what? I'm pretty sure I've asked because these have been here for a minute. I'm pretty sure I've asked, and I'm pretty sure they don't have my size. But I don't know. I guess I can ask. It's only $40. Pretty solid deal. Got a couple Puma suedes going for $40. They're normally $70, so got a discount. Like this blue is pretty clean. I hope you guys can see the lighting's always weird here. But yeah, those are pretty clean, dude. Blue definitely sticks out. Got some Vans on sale, the old school lows, going for $30. And got some Tims as well, some Tims. I don't know the regular price for these, but yeah, $130. Is that the $200 one? Damn, they just squeeze it in, huh? Then they do got one of my favorite sizes. This is a mule. They call it a slide because it's like huge. But yeah, $85. Definitely way too pricey. I do love the design on these. I love the air unit. It's not one big air unit. I think they're a bunch of separate air units. But yeah, I am a huge fan. I love the air logo on top, the air letters. I just love this. I love the Air More Tempos. I'm a huge fan, but I'm not paying $85 for that slide. That's just dumb. If you got money like that, that's what's up. $100. Seeing blazers on sale too now. That's what's up. Seeing some sales. What these go for? $110. Air Max 270s, not too shabby. And then some Hirachis right there. That's cool. And then still got the pennies. I've told y'all about those, so hopefully you guys didn't splurge buying stuff resale. Throw this up here for them to make it look all right. Do got these bad boys with the Air Flights, the Jason Kids Flight 95s on sale. Got that one going for $110 as well. And that's pretty much about it. Yeah, all right, let's go. We're gonna wrap it up. Let's go. All right, did get home. Made a couple of stops. Picked these bad boys up. Did pick up a 4. This is actually a size 10. Oh, this is a 10.5. My bad. 10.5, my size. So did grab them. This matches with some of the Lakers stuff. So that is why I did grab them, because it does match with the Mamba jersey. I do have the Mamba jersey, the LeBron 23 one. So that matches with that. And then I also picked these up. This was definitely a surprise. Follow all the sneaker shops on Instagram. Did pick one of these up. A 6.5. That's all they had. This might fit someone I know. So we'll see. Well, yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Pretty successful day. Headed to the LA County Fair. Discount tickets at Costco, man. You get carnival rides and everything. Oh, and I think it includes parking as well, which is fire. Let's go. I've lived in Los Angeles for 28 years? Never been to the LA County Fair. A little picture taking thing. All right, let's look around. Got fried cheesecake and fried Oreos. I've had fried Oreos. I've never had fried cheesecake. Dude got some legit barbecue. Full barbecue right there. They're using Sweet Baby Ray's though, huh? Y'all ain't got no your own barbecue sauce? Dang. Looks grubbing though. Look at that. Looks grubbing. Checking out some of the food. They got the chicken donut sandwich. Okay, that's definitely interesting if you want a heart attack. And then Fruity Pebbles with pineapple in a bowl. Shrimp pineapple. What the hell? Like you gotta be high when you eat that, right? They have birds there, but you can make it look like you're in the Amazon. That's the budget photo experience. That's hilarious. Flex like you went to the Amazon. What the hell is this? A footsie woodsy? You pay $1 and this just shivers a little? Like what the hell? Really? Big Red Barn. I guess they got some animals. You don't want to look at no animals, fool? All right, let's go look anyways. They do got animals and stuff. I think that's it, man. There really isn't that much to the county fair. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look, she's gonna get punked. She's gonna get pushed over. Look. That's what happens when you feed homeless people. That's just wrong. It's true, but wrong. All right, I think we're done, you guys. It's just food and this type of stuff. Not as exciting as I thought it would be, LA County Fair. I thought it'd be a little more exciting. Yo, the LA County Fair is just a big swap meet, yo. This is just, holy cow. Parents anonymous? Like, you don't want your parents to be anonymous? Dude, yeah, it's just a bunch of sellers. That's it, man. All right. Guess we came.